po jako akawuwo.
The elected leaders concentrate on doing what the people want.
Ssentebe w'ekibiina kya NRM mu ggwanga Pulezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni avumilide emivuyo gyeyolekedde mu kulonda akamyufu k'ekibiina kya NRM ng'onaategeezezza ng'okunoonyereza ku bakulembeddemu egimu ku mivuyo bwe kukyagenda mu maaso.
In some areas, after voting for the woman MP, they would create chaos if somebody knows that he doesn't have support here. After one vote, then they create chaos so that the voting doesn't take place. That one we shall also, because we know the villages which didn't vote, which were disturbed, we shall go and maybe make them vote again properly now with everybody present.
Pulezidenti Museveni era anenyezza n'abakuumaddembe abakozesezza emmundu okutiisatiisa abantu mu kulonda akamyufu ng'era bano bakukwatibwa bavunaanibwe.
Some of the people had been arrested and given a police bond. Somebody was cut people. You give him police bond. Police bond. We made it clear that there will be no police bond for anybody who has attacked Ugandans. In fact, one of the people who was attacked, I think, was in a critical condition. Up to now, I don't think. Huh?
I brought him in hospital.
Oh, okay. Yes. Now, then you go to the areas like this Katakwi, which she was talking about. Now, that is the idiocy of a police person.
Ku nsonga ya Minisita Lukutana okugirayo abawagize emmundu, Pulezidenti Museveni agamba ono yagguddwa akodde emisango ng'era wakugasimbagana n'omulamuzi.
We had a minister who beat people and had to was seen with guns. That one is in jail now. Is in jail, the minister. So therefore, this game is finished. I would appeal to Ugandans to be calm, just get the facts. I have seen some of them demonstrating. The demonstration, you may cause some confusion because you may damage some property in the process. Simply write your points. We shall act. We are here.
Ku nkola y'okusimba mugongo, Pulezidenti Museveni agamba nti eno yavadda ng'asekeredde abo bonna abatakkiriziganya nayo, gy'agamba nti eyoleka bulungi ebyo ebiba bivudde mu kulonda mangu.
Line up behind your candidate because we see you. We are all there. We see you. That's what we did the other day. And it has really worked. It has put the cheaters into problem. They are now behaving like idiots. They are not serious. Because people lined up, everybody was there. It was during daylight. We don't allow voting at night. So everybody, and it is in the village, it's not at the parish because the parish is far. 4 hours are village based.
Pulezidenti era ayogedde ne ku nkola erina okukozesebwa mu kulonda kwa bonna nga tweyambisa tekinologiya, kyagambye nti kyakuyambako okwewala emivuyo ng'okubba obululu.
For the general election, we must get a method which does not allow cheating, whether people are vigilant or not. And that is the digital. We must have digital recognition of voters using the biometric. This was supposed to be done in the previous elections, but the corrupt fellows who were in the Electoral Commission, who were sacked recently, they bought machines which did not do this.
Pulezidenti Museveni okwogera bino abadde akyaddeko ku kitebe ky'ekibiina kya NRM ekya Ddondo kwatongolezza okugaba pikipiki z'abassentebe ba NRM ab'amagombolola.
From Tiforo sub-county.
Where are they? Excuse me.
Also from Ajumani district.
Stop it.
Ndi Barbara Nabukenya ku lwa ABS Television.
Take.